Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix online fix64.dll error when you try to play some games or Palworld especially. So you encounter this error. How you can fix it? The load error online fix 64. The first thing to do is you can try to fix it by run system file checker by hold Windows key and R button. I mean, try to search this CMD. This is the command prompt and run as administrator. And you can type as fc space hashtag scan now and enter and wait for the process. So after that, if this solution is not work on your PC, this is the last resort. You can download DLL manually online fix 64.dll. After you download this file, you can put on a into your game installation directory, and also you can put on Windows, and you can try to search the system a WOW64 and paste the DLL in this folder. Here, a lot of DLL in here. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the text button below.